The warriors of TSF organized a protest in front of the house of State Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha on the demand of Roman script on Monday. The students conducted a sit-in demonstration on the road. In the end, the police took them away from the protest. On Monday, transportation was closed in the state of Tripura due to the indefinite strike organized by various students' organizations of the state on the demand of Roman script. Likewise, railway was also blocked on this day. As a result, the train was stuck in the middle of the track. As such, a massive demonstration was held in various places across the state. Likewise, the warriors of TSF organized a protest in front of the state Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha on the demand of Roman script on Monday. The students conducted a sit-in demonstration on the road. West District SP Kiran Kumar K immediately rushed to the protest as soon as he received an information that the protest was organized by TSF and TSF warriors in front of the house of Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha. Later, the students who were organizing peaceful protests in front of the CM house were taken to temporary detention camp by the police. After that, the students were released from there.
Sir, please. Sir. Only one line, sir. Situation is peaceful. Sir, अभी यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था? कुछ नहीं. Situation is peaceful. We are monitoring the situation 24/7. So everything is under control. Sir, वैसे कितने स्टूडेंट कहाँ लेके जा रहा है सर? अभी? I'll give you. नहीं सर, बोल के जाइए ना सर. Please. What यहाँ पे अभी protest क्या हुआ सर? सर ऐसे मुँह क्यों फिर रहे हैं आप?
सर हमको भी जनता को जवाब देना पड़ता है सर. ऐसे मेरे सर प्लीज आप कुछ तो बोलिए सर.
I told you now.
स्टूडेंट को कहाँ लेके जा रहा है?
सर अभी तो इतना बोलिए. स्टूडेंट को कहाँ ले जा रहा है?
सर स्टूडेंट को कहाँ लेके जा रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, इधर ही है. डिटेंशन सेंटर
कहाँ है सर?
सर एडीनगर.
कब तक छोड़ देंगे सर?
छोड़ देंगे 1-2 घंटे में.
1-2 घंटे में.
The news reporters of the state went in front of Chief Minister Dr.Manik Saha's house immediately after the news was informed about the protest demanding for Roman script. Reported by Salsang and Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.